How to watch Hulu without the app. If you prefer not to use the Hulu app on your mobile device, you can switch your mobile browser to desktop mode to access Hulu directly. Desktop mode may allow you to bypass the prompt asking you to download the app. However, some users report success while others face playback errors. Many users have faced challenges due to the integration of Hulu with Disney Plus, which might prompt you to create a My Disney account. If you only have a Hulu subscription, you will need both Hulu and Disney Plus accounts linked with the same email to access content on Disney Plus through Hulu. One solution to account management issues is syncing your Hulu account with the My Disney portal by using the same email for both services. The synchronization can help you reset your password and regain access to Hulu without any extra payments. However, streaming performance on the mobile browser may not be as good as the Hulu app, which is optimized for a smoother experience. Using desktop mode can sometimes be quite workaround, but it might not provide the same level of service as the app. To ensure uninterrupted access to your Hulu content, consider syncing your account. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.